So you've tried everything, new thumbnails, better titles, you've also tried posting more often, and yet your videos still struggle to get views. You start wondering if the YouTube algorithm is secretly against you. Well, what if I tell you that the algorithm isn't your enemy? You just don't understand its language yet. In this video, I'll break down exactly how the YouTube algorithm works in 2025 and how small creators like you can use it to finally explode your channels in 2025. Hey creators, you're welcome back to this channel where I give beginners the exact weekly routine they need to grow their channel a lot more faster. If today is the first time you are seeing me and this sounds interesting to you, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because every week I drop real creator strategies that makes YouTube growth make sense again. So having said this, let's jump straight into the video by talking about the biggest misunderstanding of small creators. Small creators think the YouTube algorithm is a single machine that decides who gets views and who does not. To be honest with you, this is not true. The YouTube algorithm is actually a network of systems. Recommendations, search, browse, and home feeds are all designed to serve viewer satisfaction and not creators' effort. Imagine you post a video and all you get is just 50 views. You first of all would think that YouTube has ignored you, but in reality, YouTube has just tested your video with just 50 people. And what you don't know is that only 5 people watched the video till the end, and 1 actually clicked on your next video. So with this, basically the algorithm assumes viewers were not satisfied with your content. With this, it's not as if your video is bad. Your video didn't just match the expectations set by your title or thumbnail. To fix this, you have to always make sure you are matching your video promise with your delivery. This is actually the first signal the algorithm trusts. This brings us to how the algorithm actually decides your feed. Here's how YouTube thinks in 2025. It actually doesn't care who you are. It only cares how long you keep people on the platform. So this means when your video starts getting clicks, YouTube starts tracking 3 things. The first thing is click-through rate, that is CTR. Basically, what it's asking here is that, are people choosing to click on your videos when they see it? The next thing is average view duration, that is AVD. And this has to do with whether people are staying till the end of your video or dropping off halfway your video. And the third thing is session time. Are people actually watching another video of yours after they finish watching your video? So just think of these whole 3 process as a date. The click-through rate is the yes. That means the person has decided to go with you on a date. The AVD is how long they stay with you at dinner. That is the average view duration. And the session time is whether they text you the next morning or not. If you impress them, YouTube becomes your wingman. It starts to recommend you to a lot more people. So having said all this brings us to the 3 smart creators signal. Now that you know how YouTube thinks, let's talk about how to make it favor us. The first thing is consistency signal. Make sure you are posting on a consistent or predictable rhythm. The algorithm learns your uploads patterns and pre-warms your audience segments before each drop. So a recommended routine to get this going on for you is 2 videos a week. Make sure 1 video is algorithm friendly and 1 video is trend friendly. This gives you the right routine to grow your community as well. The algorithm doesn't push channels, it pushes topics. People don't come on YouTube to search for channels to watch their videos. They rather come on YouTube to search for topics to watch. So if you have scattered videos like gaming, motivation, vlogs, YouTube has no clue who to recommend you to. So make sure you are staying within your content identity and don't get yourself jumping from one niche to the other. The third signal is engagement echo. Comments and replies are not just vanity. They are retention anchors. The more discussions happens below your video, the more YouTube recommends it to a lot more users. So for you to get this going on for you, you always have to try as much as possible to ask a genuine question at the end of every video, or even within the course of your video. Tell the audience to give you their feedback or opinions in the comment section. Once you get this going on for you, the audience will find you as a real person they can relate with. And this will always urge them to have conversations going on with you in the comment section. This brings us to the important part of this video, video where I'll be talking about the 2025 strategy shift. In 2025, short form and long form now feed each other. Use them to funnel viewers to your long form content. For instance, a 30-second short titled "Why Your Channel Isn't Growing" will lead people to your full-length video titled "How to Get More Views on YouTube in 2025." This is exactly how the YouTube pros dominate in both spaces, that is the short and long form content. So stop chasing viral lag and start engineering viewer satisfaction. If you've learned something new today, don't just close this video and move on. Go watch my previous video, how to make a YouTube channel and earn money in 2025, because once you understand the algorithm, that's the best video that will show you the foundation. This video will show you the step-by-step approach that will help you get rewarded by YouTube, and trust me, that video will change how you see YouTube forever. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our weekly video. See you in the next video.